StroKings TV. We're solo dolo today, boys. I got my hype man Joshua right here behind the camera. I'm playing by myself, 6 holes of golf. Where you at? Where you at? See just how many Miller Lite we can shotgun today. I might tap myself out a little bit early here. God. Yahoo!
Let's see how good he can golf.
First 3 holes that I've been warming up, I've been playing like piss and shit.
He's just upset it wasn't a White Claw. He's gonna leave his tee again.
No, I'm not. Got my caddy with me today, slash cameraman, slash hype man. Right over those pines. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'm not good enough to hit a burner, but I'm gonna try to hit a burner.
Let's do it, Jay Irving. Oh, no. Hey, you're out in the fairway. Caleb is out in the fairway now with a nice birdie opportunity.
Yeah, dude, this is the easiest birdie in my life.
See that flag up there? Caleb's gonna put that ball right beside that muff. He gets it up there. He's playing the hole long, but that's how he normally plays it. Slow down. Ah, stop. Do your worst.
Oh, stop.
Oh, fuck. There it is.
You made it to this point after that piss poor miserable hole for me. Like and subscribe. All right, right here. Like and subscribe. It's right here. Okay. That's a double bogey. I'll take it. Not really tripping. Yahoo!
There it goes.
Way left, but that's gonna be okay. That was a little burner.
Hit off this root right here.
Break my arm. Why don't I play it from back here? If you're watching this video for good golf, you might as well just click off right now. Now, if you're watching this video for awesome throat goat experience, stay on, like and subscribe. I don't hate that. Start using keys, not tees. Oh God. Yahoo!
Buzzing right now?
A little bit.
I would be too.
Why?
You've been shotgunning Millers.
But they're good.
Better than White Claws?
Throat goat. Better than White Claws? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, historically, Finny Strokes, the throat goat.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
And it kicked right, dude. Get the f up there. And don't come back down. Aha! I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that.
Let's go, Julius. I feel like I can breathe out of my ears sometimes.
What?
Like I could blow smoke out of them or something.
You'd be blowing smoke up my ass. Yahoo! What?
How'd that feel?
Felt good going down. Gonna feel good coming up.
This is a par 4/5, so I guess it's whatever you want to call it.
What do you mean?
That's what it says, par 4/5. Interesting.
Par 4/5. So like if I'm about to get up to the green and I've got like a par chip, I could just be like, hey, this is a par 5, and then I can chip it and putt it and still make par.
I mean, if you wanted to.
I'm just out here to get drunk.
Say build your house and mow tunnels. Build your house where the moles go.
Build my house where the moles go? Tell me what that means. Explain that a little bit more in depth.
I don't know, I just read this earlier today.
You can read?
Sometimes. Hit the ball, Junior.
Okay. It's gonna hit the fuck. We'll take that. We'll take that. We're gonna go ahead and call this a par 5. Just for the sake of being fair to myself. I've really started treating myself a little bit better. Here I am, partner. Well, you're not my partner today. You're just my hype man. Not tripping on that one bit, but I'm not hitting it from there because I'm not gonna break my fucking arm. Or do I? I had a dream last night that like a tree like that fell over and it pinned me against a wall.
No cap.
No cap. What's that mean?
Okay.
All you dream experts out there, what's that mean? Like and subscribe. All right,
Yeah.
look, I'm picking it up. I'm gonna back up back here and drop back here without taking a stroke. Yeah, y'all can go f yourselves. Dude. That's gonna work. Run, bitch. Run. That's all right. We like that.
Let's make something happen here.
I've been hearing voices in my head.
Shit.
Not to get deep.
I think a lot of people hear voices in their head.
You hear voices in your head?
It's normally just one voice.
Is it mine?
No. Lucifer's.
Oh my God. Go. What do we call this, a par 5?
Try and get your first birdie of the day. And he hits it. Oh.
That's the biggest crock of fucking bullshit I've ever seen in my life. Can we call that a par? Or do we call it a bogey?
I don't see any.
I mean, it said par 4/5, so.
Yeah.
You know what that calls for?
Another beer.
A celebratory shotgun. What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Have you seen that kid? Dude, he's f***ing hilarious. Sketch? You ever seen Sketch? We'll go home tonight and watch Sketch on YouTube, dude. He's fucking hilarious. Oh, dude, I just opened this one. I accidentally just opened it instead of like poking a hole in it because I forgot. Sipping is for bitches. No, do you agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Does Lucifer agree?
Yeah.
Yahoo! Choking sucks. One more. Damn, nothing even came out. Dude, chugging, it's more clean. I'll say that. All right, folks, and this is what we call cheating. It's okay though, because I'm drunk.
Got a little launch pad there. You know what you're hitting?
Am I ready to hit? I really couldn't tell you the answer to that question. Mentally, no. Physically, sure. Fuck, man. I'm not pissed. I'm not pissed. I'm not pissed. I'm not pissed. Rather be pissed off than pissed on, buddy. Huh? Huh? I mean, I don't hate my life on that one. I don't hate my life.
Not bad.
I just threw a fit.
Ah.
Guess we're just playing bogey golf today, brother. Vice golf. Vice golf.
Yeah,
All right. One more. Look at the kitty. Vice golf. Vice golf. Yahoo!
Animal. Can you still see straight?
Do what?
Can you still see straight?
Yeah. So what am I doing today to make them all go left? You think it's me or you think it's the beer?
Could be the shoes.
It's definitely not the J's, brother.
That's one. She's a runner.
As a solo, we're terrible.
Going over or around it?
Man, I really don't know. I was actually, as I was lining up my stance there, I was thinking about it. And I was like, that's probably not the time to think about it. I think I just punched straight, like left side of that tree. Do you agree with that statement? That's really all I wanted.
Perfect. Slow down.
Fast. That is f***ing money. Never mind. It's not as money as I thought it was, but it's still good.
Caleb loves golf. I think it's all he thinks about, especially in the shower,
Are you saying shit?
in the bathtub.
So this is for par.
Yeah. What about it?
Bogey golf, brother. Hole 9. This would be the last hole. I didn't tap out. It's a straight shot, but I've been hitting left all day, so we're gonna see what happens. 3 beers left. The great John Daly said you can tee a ball up on the Miller can and hit it off the Miller can, then chug the beer. But what he says is, if you're actually a good golfer, which I know I'm not, that you should not hit the beer can at all. I think you crack it open, get all the foam off of it. Wasn't much foam. And you just let her rip.
Whoa! Drink it.
Yahoo!
That was not bad. We're gonna clean that up. We're gonna clean that up. Don't worry. Karen's. Don't worry, we'll clean it up. Here, kitty. Here, kitty. Sit down. 2 beers left. We're gonna do one now, and then one after I sink this putt.
Yahoo!
That was for birdie, right?
Yeah.
So this is for par?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. How many pars did you get today?
I don't know, dude.
Hey.
Let's go for the par, dude. I'm fucked up. That's why I'm bleeding. 1 beer left on the day. What'd I shoot?
A little over. Just a little over.
A little over. But I'm a little under the influence.
Yeah.
Are you driving home?
For sure.
Okay. You wanna go eat?
No.
Okay.
Yahoo!
Tasty.
Get my shit together real quick. Hang on for this outro. God. Please like and subscribe if you have not already. And I hope you did not watch this video expecting to see some good golf, because that's not gonna happen. All right, so like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Like and subscribe. All right? Peace, love. Till the next time, StroKings TV. We love you. We hate you. Yeah, we both Prowse.